Hi friends, welcome to my channel NSP Rocks. My name is Naveen. Today we are going to visit Haira Lake Park, which is located in Riyadh of Saudi Arabia. I think this is one of the beautiful and famous park in Riyadh. And everything I will show in this video throughout my this trip, and it is the one of the beautiful place. Friends, I am starting this journey from this trip from Al Majma to Riyadh. You know, Riyadh is the capital of Saudi Arabia, one of the big city of Saudi Arabia. It is almost city sits at an average of 600 meters, almost 2000 feet above sea level, and almost the receives around 5 million tourists coming each year, making it the 49th most visited city in the world and the 6th in the Middle East. Riyadh had a population of 7.6 million people in 2019, making it the most populous city in Saudi Arabia, third most populous in the Middle East, and 38th most populous in Asia. So it is the Saudi Arabia. Actually, Riyadh is one of the beautiful places to live here, and little bit expensive only compared to Dubai. It's so most of the people are like to stay here only, Riyadh only. It is we are not seems like it's not from same like our India like that only in Riyadh also. It's a very good place to live here. Riyadh is the political and administrative center of Saudi Arabia and also holds great economic significance, and as it hosts of the headquarters of many banks, and major companies such as the National Commercial Bank, Al-Inma Bank, and Saudi Arabian British Bank, and Highway 65, known as locally as the King Fahd Road, runs through some of these important centers in the city, including the King Abdullah Financial District, one of the world's largest financial district, the Faisalia Center, and the Kingdom Centers. So Riyadh is one of the world's fastest growing cities in the populations and is home to many expatriates. Riyadh has been designated a global city. The city is divided into 15 municipal districts, which are overseen by the municipality of Riyadh. And the first mentioning of the city by the name Riyadh was in 1590 by an early Arab consular in 1737. Okay, this is a brief explanation of our Riyadh, because you have to know about Riyadh, because we are going to see these cities of Riyadh, and this park is located in Riyadh only. So I briefly explained to you. So now I hope you got some points about Riyadh and some history about Riyadh. So let us go. We are moving on. You can see so now you can see some desert area in both sides of this road. Actually, we will take almost 1.5 hours to reach Riyadh, and from Riyadh it almost 30 minutes it will take to reach our park, our destination. So it is fully desert area. You can see the almost 200 kilometers is there between Al Majma and Riyadh. See, we have reached Riyadh. So we have reached Riyadh right now. You can see some buildings and flower bells, and one of the good city, beautiful city, and so much there is not more crowded area also, some crowded area only compared to the Dammam. Actually, some people are like to stay here only because all our malls like Indian Mall, hypermarkets, all are located here itself. So almost we will take remaining 1 hours to there. Almost not 1 hour. Almost we reach in Riyadh no in almost and take and 30 within 30 minutes we will be reached there. Actually, we have reached. Here and the Al Hayr Lakes. It's one of the beautiful and relaxing place to see this the entrance of this lake. From here, or it will take 15 minutes to reach there. So I hope you are all enjoying this moment, this area, these places, and see look at there, it's hill area, everything we can see there. So it is a very beautiful area, especially for me. So I decided to spend my holidays to here and enjoying my holidays with my friends here itself. So I came here. So I am enjoying this, and travel is one of the is hobby for me. So it's good. Hope you are all enjoying the traveling also, guys. You are, I think, look at both side. So friends, finally we reached here. You can see there is the area and this lakes and area, and this is one of the beautiful area to see. This place is very large and clean, well maintained with round the clock security. Good place for photography enthusiast. Not not to mention the check dam is attractive place for selfies. Best time to visit is either for sunrise or just before the sunset. So I think we are all enjoying this one. So we were there an hour before. It is crowded during the holidays and weekends. Today is a little bit crowded because some people are coming only this time. He is arriving only. So after 6 o'clock it will be crowded here. I got a beautiful experience to visit here. My dear friends who are living in Saudi Arabia, especially in Riyadh, you can visit once here itself. You can enjoy more time. You can spend more time with your family and relatives itself and friends also. And these places are very neat and clean also. They are maintaining very good and neat and clean, and three or four securities are there. to watch everyone. So I think it is a good places. So actually my one of my friend told me that this lake is here, like, so I came here to I enjoying my Eid holidays here itself. It's a good place. You can, and lake, and this area also very good, and dam, like there. This place is as here water and the fishing, swimming is not allowed. And park also there, and beside the river, and cat snacks, catfish also there. Snacks is there in the behind that area, hill area, and good area this is. And catfish, you can see the in catfish where we are putting in some food to this fish. All of fish are coming together, and they are jumping to catch the food. It's a good funny moment here. So this is more than wonderful, with the sound of the water and seeing the fountain at sunset is the best relaxed destination. So it is one of the good feel we will get from this area. So this, wherever you go, all areas are neat and clean. You can see this area also very neat and clean. They are maintaining very neat and clean this area. So small, we are going this side. In the river and dam is there. Small lake, like not the river. This river, and that they are all taking that cover, and everything is maintaining neat and clean. Come on guys, we will go that side. We can see that catfish. So I told you. I told you earlier. So look there. This is river, and bulk of the fishes are there. So it is very cute to see. It is, I think you are all enjoying this one also at this moment, and this everything. I am also enjoying a lot. So I spent my one day in this area. So I enjoyed a lot. So Guys, in Riyadh, no, such kind of the places are very rarely you will get. So I am putting this video here. Uh, don't think badly and keep on motivate to your one like and what your on your likes and shares are inspiring me to give the more and more videos. So don't think like that. You just take it as a funny video like that only. So it is one of the I like this area and this actually this is this and all no natural beauty. So same like our country India. So in here in this desert area, we can't find out in such river this water and natural water everything. So I really surprised and is really happy to see here, and so I enjoy a lot with my friends and teams. So it is one of the look at there, it's very funny piece also. So it is actually people are throwing food to them, so they're trying to catch this one food. All are fighting each other to get the food, so it is funny. It's very very what I say, it's very good and very actually it's one of the good moment. It's a nice place to spend time in evening with family and your relatives and your friends and your kids. It's a good time to spend. You have to come here evening at this time. Evening you can enjoy more and more. You can bring food and snacks and you can eat here itself behind, beside the beside the our river, and you can enjoy your friends. It is a comfortable and a clean place also. Once again I'm telling, it is a neat and clean places, so you can enjoy more and more. Once you get the free time, you can come here, you can enjoy yourself because it's a natural beauty, same like our India. It's natural beauty only, you can enjoy. It's one of the good places. So I will give you this address in my description. And friends, I hope all of you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share with your friends and groups and Facebook. And if you are not subscribed my channel still now, please subscribe it, and we will meet in another video. Stay safe. Bye bye. Take care.